Okay, I think I might have a problem with my new Accurascale Class 37. Although it goes forward and backward perfectly if I turn the power on, as soon as the sound starts, it cuts out. And the only way to get the sound back is to remove power from the rails. It still moves, he says, in both directions. It's not now. Disconnect the power, reconnect the power, and it moves in both directions. But start the sound and nothing happens. Turn it off, turn it on again. And now the sound's not working at all. Oh, bum and flip.